Welcome to Elements by Westin. Let's take a room tour. The room is actually very nice and big. It has a microwave oven, a sink. So I guess they encourage you to to eat in your room. Below the microwave, you've got a fridge, but it's empty. It's not a stocked fridge. Oh well. Guess you gotta buy stuff and stock up. Honey, quinoa, granola, and coffee. Nice king size bed. But I think the best is actually the view. So I'm on the 48th floor and this is what I see. Hello KL. You got charging ports, a small cozy work table, side armchair, an alarm clock, a comfortable 55-inch TV. I think it's 55-inch. It's got quite a big wardrobe, huge wardrobe. Safe. Nice shower, comfortable, big enough. Yep, they provide you toothbrushes, a body lotion, amenities kit, big enough for a big man. That's the room. Good morning. Time to go for breakfast. Morning. Raining outside. Woke up to rain. So here's my thoughts on Element by Westin, right here in KL. It's not the Westin. So it's very similar to 4 Points by Sheraton. It's kind of like the budget version of Westin. The hotel is actually very, very comfortable. Not bad for its price point. Location, very good. I can actually see the Twin Towers from here, which actually connects to KLCC. TRX, I can see from here. I estimate if you take a cab, it's just gonna take you 10 minutes. So it's right smack in the city center. I just came up from breakfast, and breakfast was adequate. It's not as lavish as Westin's breakfast, but it had a good mix of, you know, Western flavors, local flavors. So I had nasi lemak, I had tom yum soup, noodle, coffee was good, juices was you know, I didn't feel it was fresh juice, but you know, they have something. From a price point perspective, I think it's a good deal, Element. I haven't really gone out to discover what's around the area. I've been busy with a bit of work, but I'm gonna try to head out today just to have a look at what's around. One thing I can guarantee you, if you stay at the Element by Westin, is you're gonna be on high floors. The lobby is on the 40th floor and the rooms are above the 40th floor. I'm on the 48th floor, and the highest floor is actually 53. So you can bet that, you know, if you get to the Element, you're gonna see a very nice scape of the city. You're gonna be at least 40 floors and above. The lifts are quick, so no issues there. There's a convenience store downstairs on the ground floor. So yeah. Hey guys, right now we are in Petaling Street, which is right in the middle of Chinatown, KL.
How much you are?